The clouds are moving really fast. Whoa.
Mom, JJ's 3 years old, right?
Holy spit, when? Very, very, very heavy. Superwoman. Over there, it's like... I just go into black oblivion. It's like very sunset-y, and then it's totally black oblivion, I swear. So right back there. Sorry, I'm trying to stay on the porch.
There's still a hoverbird. It can't get out.
Where?
The hoverbird. It can't get out. The wind's shoving it around. It was like flying that way, and it was trying to go back that way, and it was like flying there.
Oh, it's so pretty back there, and then it's like flipping black oblivion.
Tamales.
Really? No.
Ah, man, I want some tamales.
Come over here and be my reporter.
See, there it went, There's the
Hey,
hummingbird,
hey.
and they got shoved.
Come on, you're my reporter.
I'm your reporter. Whoa, right there, along the sky, there's a beautiful sunset. Look up, and there's a black mini birds.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It's coming from over here. It's like really pretty. You just go over here, and it's like totally black.
And as you can see, the wind is...
Dude, it looks like a, right there. It looks like a goose.
You know, Crystal, you are right. It actually looks awesome.
It looks like a fetus.
It looks like a fetus, yeah.
Everything looks like a fetus to me.
And also, it might have looked like a baby dinosaur.
Oh, it could, couldn't it?
See, a long
This is a
neck
fun game to
out.
play when you're in a hurricane. Walk outside, see what kind of shape you can spot in the clouds.
And as you can also...
Oh look, there looks like that one right there. It looks like a cloud. It's amazing that we can actually keep our sanity. It looks like a little mini Yoda. Right there. Clear. That's not
It's
clear.
orange clouds again and again and
Right
again.
here, look. It's like, oh, that looks so weird right in there.
Now look first. It's rainbow. It's so
Oh crap. Look at it, it's all black.
He's about to save us. Yeah, well,
I know it's not safe being out here. Don't complain to me. Oh, look. There's no birds outside. Oh, Jesus. I like it over there. It's all pretty, right? Right there. It's like a sunset. It's really pretty. And then right back, right in this whole area, it's all pretty. And then right over here, it's all like black and depressing. It's like the, no offense, but emo people, and like that's like the bright, preppy, happy, uppity, bright people like me. Actually, I'm somewhere right in there, right in the middle. You know. So.
Where's the sun?
Ike stole him.
I stole it.
Oh, this is how bad the winds are.
Bad enough to go inside right now.
On my cell phone, it's like, oh God, I know nothing happened already. I can't. You know, we were outside. I heard it ringing and got the house. She talked to John.
Showing you
He
all the
apologized
winds.
to her. He told her to tell us. Call us. Call you. What I got heard of.
Alright, yeah, so this is Ike at the moment, Phil. Oh, look, it's like a bird. Right there. Look. There's
Oh, look at all the birds! And they're
I didn't know there were still birds here. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so we're watching the Black Oblivion sunset mixture, you know, emo preppy people kind of.
the only gold.
Watching the wind.
It's the golden sunset. Really?
Your
Look,
face.
right there at the edge of the tree.
Retard.
It's the golden sunset.
So yeah, this is Ike at the moment. We get the message. Tina's not here at the moment. Alright, look at that. See it, that's really bad. Oh yeah, this is North Houston? Yeah, North Houston.
Jump on you and tell them.
So yeah, this is pretty bad. Ooh, a leaf. Oh, a leaf. Ah.
Okay, so is this crap going on? Or is that crap going on?
I don't know.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows what's going to happen.
I think they all need to shut things up their mouths.
Their mouths near their bottoms.
Their mouths.
Yeah, they need to shove stuff up their mouths near their bottoms.
I hope you know you're on YouTube video.
You better not.
Tell them hi.
Hi, yeah.
That's why you're
that'd be great for the real world.
That's
because,
my-
you know, I'm cool and I'm not afraid to tell the truth, you know.
And I like to get fights with people.
I know, I like...
No, I'm not a violent
like
person.
to beat people up. I don't know why. I
Oh,
just
yeah.
do.
This is Ike.
So,
Oh, look at it.
please
That's a
pick me
leaf.
for real world.
That's a leaf. Yeah. So that was your real world interview? Amazing, huh? So yeah, I'm probably gonna go upload this real quick, but I should probably turn off the computer and then upload it. Yeah, this is at like 7:30 at night on Friday before the storm comes, like a couple hours, you know. This is North Houston. Really North Houston. Yeah, and so
Perfect.
so pretty.
If we can go out there, man.
It's like so pretty back there.
I know.
And then like you come up here and you see nothing but black. That's all.
Except for that little line. Looks like a snake about to bite you.
Alright, so
Huh.
Look at that one out there. You can't see it through the
I know.
Look how orange it is.
Yeah, I know.
Come right in here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Can you see it, Devin? See how orange it is?
How pretty that is.
That's what I was
It
telling
looks
her
nasty when it's in there. But it's actually really pretty. Actually really
Sun
pretty.
going down. And
It's pretty though.
pretty though.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go protect myself. Power lines are gonna come down. Oh yeah, the tree branch back there. So sorry about that. I tend to do that. But yeah, well, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Yeah.